Good morning. Our lesson for today is about multiplying mixed numbers. Let me start with a warm-up exercise from what we did yesterday. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, multiply the numerator by the whole number and then copy the denominator as it is because you are supposed to make the 5 over 1 4 times when it stays 4. The answer is going to be 15 over 4 and then change the 15 over 4 to a mixed number in its simplest form. It will be 3 and 3/4. So keep in your mind that I don't multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5 because 5, if you want to write it as a fraction, it's 5 over 1. Another example about multiplying a mixed number by a whole number, and I'm going to explain here another way to solve it. First step, of course, you have to change the 2 and 1/4 into an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4 times 6, you make it over 1. Instead of starting by multiplying now 9 times 6 and 4 times 1, I can simplify first. Both the 6 and the 4, they have a common factor, which is 2. Both are divisible by 2. So divide the 4 and the 6 by 2. You will find that 6 becomes a 3, the 4 becomes 2. Now you can multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 1 is 2. The answer is 27 over 2. Change it to a mixed number. 27 divided by 2 is 13, and half is left. It's exactly the same answer if you start multiplying 9 times 6 over 4 times 1. But you need to simplify. You need to divide by 2 after the multiplication. If I wanted to show it by using the bars, I'm going to show the 2 1/4 6 times. Then I will start getting from the last parts and filling the empty bars here. You will find that you end up by 13 whole bars and half of the last one. Now, examples of multiplying mixed number by a mixed number. I have to change the first mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 7, so you get 7 over 3. The second one, 4 times 3 12, plus 1 13 over 4. Now I'm going to apply any of the previous methods. Either I start multiplying 7 by 13 and 3 by 4, or I check first if I can simplify. Not in all the examples, not in all the cases you can start simplifying. Here, there is no simplification, so I'll start making 7 times 13, 91, over 3 times 4, 12. Simplify the answer to make it a mixed number. It will be 7 and 7 over 12. The next example, I start making 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17 over 3, times 7 times 3, 21, plus 2, which is 23 over 7. Remember that the word of, when it comes between fractions, mixed numbers, even percentages, it means multiply. Now, you check if you can simplify, or directly you can start multiplying. 17 times 23 is 391. 3 times 7 is 21. Change it to a mixed number. It will be 18 and 13 over 21. Since it's allowed for you to use a calculator, I advise you to start directly multiplying without even thinking of simplifying the fractions before the multiplication. Some more examples here. 5 and 1 over 6, it becomes 31 over 6 times 9 over 1. Either simplify first the 6 and the 9, or start multiplying 31 by 9. Both are divisible by 3. So the 9 becomes a 3, the 6 becomes 2. Then you can multiply 31 by 3 and 2 by 1. It's improper fraction, change it to a mixed number. Next example, 2 and 1/3 is 7 over 3 times 7 over 1. 7 times 7 is 49 over 3. As a mixed number, it becomes 16 and 1/3. The third example in this slide, 10 times 4 is 40 plus 7, 47 over 10, times 2 over 1. Either simplify the 2 and the 10, or start directly multiplying. Both are divisible by 2. So the 10 becomes 5, the 2 becomes 1. 47 times 1 is 47 over 5 as a mixed number 9 and 2/5. Thank you.